Let's make some money again, guys. On this video today, I'm going to teach you how to trade TRX. You buy TRX at a lower price on Binance.com, and then you sell that TRX higher on Trexbic.app. Okay, so let's go. And so, guys, for the first thing you need to do is this: you need to buy USD. You need to buy TRX. As you can see, I have 2,000. 385 worth of TRX. Okay, so I have 2,385 worth TRX, which is equivalent to 826 USDT. Let me show you something. When we go to Chrome and then we search for, when we go to Google, and then guys, we need to search for TRX to USD. Okay, TRX to USD sorry, we need to see convert and see. So if I have 2,800 TRX, that's equivalent to 969 USD. Okay, I have 2,300, so it's 2,300. I have 796, okay, USD. But here you can say I have 800 because of 2,385, and I have 826 USDT. So I'm going to show you how you can double that TRX into another capital. You make profit from it. The first step, you need to buy TRX on your account. You just buy USDT and then you convert it. You click on trade and convert. Once you buy USDT, you convert it to TRX. Okay, so you can put 100 here and then you convert to TRX. I can convert right now and you will see I'll get TRX back, and you see now I have converted USDT to TRX. Okay, so guys, now you see I have 2,672. So the next step, you need also to have an account on Trexbic.app. Trexbic.app. Just go to your Google and Google on your google.com, and then guys, you type Trexbic.app, which will also take you back to my Trexbic.com, which is the same app. Okay, so once you create the account, and you can see my account balance is 105. The next step, guys, you need to go to crypto wallet, and then you click on deposit crypto, choose TRX, and then guys, you choose funding. Make sure you choose funding, and the next step, you put amount in TRX, which is I'm going to trade with the 500 TRX. Okay, let me close this. And then after that, now guys, you need to click on get deposit address, and you can see I have the deposit address here. So I need to copy that deposit address, and I will go back to my TRX and then click send, withdraw crypto, and then long press that TRX here, and then this is the TRX address or TRC20. The network is TRX TRC20, and amount I'm going to put 500. So because it's 1.5 TRX fee, I'm going to put 501.5 so that I can withdraw TRX. So 500, and then I'll click on withdraw, and then guys, I'll confirm, and I'm going now to put my passkey. Okay, I'll put my passkey like that, and then okay, I'm putting my passkey, guys, just be patient with me. Okay, so now you can see my withdrawal of 501.5 TRX has been sent. So the next step, I need to click on I have paid. Okay, so your TRX has been verified and credited in your funding wallet. So let me wait for it to get funded, guys. So I'll click on done here, and I will go back, I'm still waiting for it to be credited. Okay, so let's wait for it to be detected in our account. Once you copy the address and send the TRX, it will automatically get deposited. Okay, just be patient. And so guys, you can see now my balance has been updated to 279, sorry. And so the next step, guys, is now to trade. Okay, so to trade now, to make a profit with the balance I have, you can see on my funding wallet now I have 803. Okay, so the next step, I need to click on trade, and then I'll scroll up here and choose TRX. And guys, I'm going to trade, I'll choose someone with the lower price of 0.3, like Kwame Asante, and then I'll choose fast sell, and I'll choose Amara Diallo, sell, and I'm going to put amount of TRX that I have is 800, and you see 800 worth of TRX. Let's do the math. TRX, okay, so if 800, I sell 800 worth of TRX is 276 USD. Okay, but if I sell it on Trexbic, I'm going to get 335.91. Okay, you see, I'm going to get 335 USD. Okay, so which is to say that I will have made let's do the math quickly. 279 minus 335, that's a profit of 56 USD. Okay, so that's how we trade. So the next step, I'll click on proceed. Just a moment, guys. You can see I'm trying to click proceed, but it's not responding. So because we are not going to end this video without trading, the next step I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to convert that. I'll click on swap here. I'll go to crypto wallet and I will swap it. I will choose TRX, put maximum. I will swap it to USDT, and then we trade with USDT. Okay, and swap that TRX. You can see now I have swapped the TRX into USDT. Let me go to crypto wallet. You can see here on my USDT, here I have now 271. So the next step, I'll go to P2P market, and now I'm going to sell USDT. And then, guys, I'm going to find someone with at least 1.2 or 1.3, 1.3 or 1.2. So I think I'll sell to Sekou Traore, and I will put the amount that I have, 271. See, I'm going to get 326, that's almost 60 USD in profit, and then I'll click proceed. I'll choose settle, and payment is TRC20. Okay, so at this level now, guys, there's a way you can get paid. A 2% fee you will get paid in your spot wallet, or 4% fee you put your Binance address here. Okay, but me, I'm going to choose 2% fee because it's almost 4% is almost my all profit. And then I'll click on confirm order. Okay, so now the order is loading, so I'm waiting for the vendor to pay. So I'll now go to click chat with vendor and say, hello, how are you doing? Okay, please release the trade. Okay, so now that I'm waiting for the vendor to pay me. If the vendor doesn't pay, always click dispute. Okay, remember, guys, I was trying to trade with TRX, but it didn't work, so I converted that TRX to USDT, and you can now, I'm selling the USDT and still making a profit. So I'm selling 271 to receive almost a 60 USD profit, guys. Okay, so the vendor said I need to wait, so let's wait for the vendor in 5 minutes to pay. Okay, if 5 minutes it doesn't pay, we just need to dispute this trade to support, which will never happen, and I've never seen it happen. So let's wait, guys. And also remember, you can also trade on Trexbic using trading bots. These ones, the AI bots, popular, and there are free and paid bots here you can trade with. And you can see this one that is locked is paid, and they are free. You can see even the CoinSmart balance bot has a daily earn of 13.92, and that is also we have a Phoenix grid bot. You can also trade with it, and has a 13.72. So yes, let's wait for the trade, and I'll be back in a bit. And so guys, you can see now the trade was released. Let's go to financial history, and if I go to P2P here, P2P trades, here is the trade, and it was completed, and I got 326, and I converted that USDT to TRX, and now my crypto wallet account is 924. So the next step, I'll click on withdraw, and I will go to copy my address for withdrawal, and I'll paste I'll put amount here. I'm going to withdraw, let's say I will withdraw 750 since I deposited 500, and I'll paste the address, enter again the address, and continue. Now we need to send verification code to my email. I'll copy my verification code, guys, and I'll go here and paste it. I'll paste that verification code here and then click confirm withdrawal. Yes, so the withdrawal has been submitted and is processing in a few. Let's wait for it to arrive on my Binance. Before it's arrived, guys, let me show you the profit I made. I deposited 500 TRX. I did a trade which is 176. Okay, and now I have done a withdrawal of 750, which is 259. So which means I made a profit of 250, which is 86 USD in just a few seconds, guys. So you can see the withdrawal is now progressing, and they have already provided me a TRX hash. I can check on the blockchain. See, on the blockchain it's successful, and it's now confirming 738. It's going because of network fee. They have deducted a few, so it means I have made 238, which is 82.23 USD in profit. Yes, so it's now loading. Let's wait for it. I think a withdrawal has already been approved. So, and you can see now my balance is 61 USD. I'll go back to my Binance and check whether the withdrawal has arrived. Let me refresh, and you can see here it is 738.75 TRX has been credited. And so guys, thank you so much for watching this video today, and may you have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you. Like this video and share, and join my Telegram channel on my TikTok. Here on my TikTok here, just come on my TikTok, okay, and then you click this link. Once you click that link, it will take you to my bot. Once you go to my bot, this is my bot, okay, and you see I have over 1000 users. So once you come on my bot, you'll click on start, and once you start it, it will give you this join Telegram channel button, and you will join my Telegram channel where I have over 44,000 subscribers, all students, and yes, we will make money, all of us. Thank you so much.